composers, when layering horns in cinematic music, try out this amazing combination. First, use a horns ensemble patch. This is the 4 horns ensemble in Cinematic Studio Brass. Make sure you turn on legato. And then the second layer, I like to use a trombone ensemble because trombones have this more bright brassiness in the tone, whereas the horns have more majestic, warm tone. So when you layer them, you can get a huge, powerful and expressive horn melody like this. Like and follow for more music inspiration. Here's another video for you. Keep learning and making music, my friends.